Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Please sit down.
Thank you, ma'am.
So shall we start with the revision video of Block 5?
Yes, ma'am.
So let's start with our first lesson, grouping of living things. Okay. So in the earlier classes, we have learned what are the properties of living thing, right? Like living things grow, move, breathe, need food. All these we have learned. Now let's segregate. Let's sort the things. What are the different types of living things we have? Okay. Who will tell me the first one?
Me.
Yes, Devika.
Plants.
Plants. Again, plants are segregated into how many types and what are they?
2 types, ma'am. Flowering and non-flowering.
Very good. Sit down, Devika. Now, who will tell me about the second one? Yes, Manaswini.
Animals.
Animals. Now, how many times they are segregated into and what are they?
2 types.
What are they?
Vertebrates and invertebrates.
Okay, what is the difference between them? Which animals are called as vertebrates? Hmm?
Fish.
No, I'm not talking about the examples. What is the property of the animal which we can keep that animal in vertebrates? Which animals are called as vertebrates and which animals, how they are segregated? On basis of what? Anybody? Ganishka, can you say?
Vertebrates have backbone.
Yes.
Vertebrates have no. They don't have backbone.
They doesn't have backbone. Very good. Please sit down. What is the next one? Plants, animals and Samya?
Me. Fungi.
Okay. Now how can you describe that? Fungi. Fungus, fungi.
And they are visible to our eye, and also they can be neither animal and plant.
It's neither animal or plant and they are visible to us. Can you give some examples for that? Yes, Ceci?
Yeast.
East. And one more. Can you give one more?
Mushroom.
Priyansh, can you repeat one more time?
Yeast
Uh,
and mushrooms.
Very good. Now who will tell me about the other one? Yes, Vidyumna.
And bacteria.
Bacteria. Okay, can you tell me what about it?
And it is a process. And it is
Where it is found?
in our habits.
In all habitats. Very good. What is the last one? Please sit down. Yes, Avantika.
Plastics.
Protist. Now, can you explain about it?
They includes
Mm-hmm.
algae and protozoa.
Algae and protozoa. Okay, very good. Please sit down. Now, Vikun, you tell me why we need to segregate things like this. Now, living things are divided into plants, animals, bacteria, right? Why we need to do that? Why the sorting is important? Why we need to separate them? Yes, Ceci?
We segregate them.
Mm-hmm.
We can know more about them.
We can know more about them. Very good. What else? Only because of one reason? Because we have to know more about them? Yes, Soumya?
And if we join all together, we cannot read them properly.
Yes, that's what Ceci said. What is the other one? Yes, Vidyumna?
Ma'am, to understand more about them.
That's what he also said. No, to more, to learn, to more, to understand, to study. Only about themselves or between the relationship between the living things also, right? So like for example, animals depend on plants
Yes.
for food. So to understand that, if you segregate them properly, they will understand. Okay? Please sit down, everyone. So this was your first lesson. Now let's move on to the second lesson. Now the next lesson is about the plants, that is flowering and non-flowering plants. Now what is the difference between flowering and non-flowering plants? Hana, so you tell me. What does a flowering plant have? What does a non-flowering plant have? Put your hands down. I have already given chance to Hana Zoe. Let her complete, then I'll come back to you.
Flowering plants have flowers.
Can you be a little louder, Hana Zoe?
Flowering plants have flowers. Non-flowering plants don't have.
Very good. Flowering plants have flowers and non-flowering plants does not have plants, which is very good. Now, why we need to segregate the plants as flowering and non-flowering plants? Yes, Priyansh. Why we need to segregate as flowers? Why not leaves, stem, roots? Why we are segregating based on flowers? Anybody? Yes, Vidyumna.
And we should segregate them because flowers will we should segregate them because only them.
Why, Soumya?
Ma'am, because flowering plants reproduce flowers into fruits and then seeds.
Very good. Reproduce or turn?
Turn.
Turn. The flowers will be turning into fruits which have seeds in them. And the seeds are the reason why we have new plants, isn't it? Sit down with him now. Yes or no? That's why we are segregating the plants as flowering and non-flowering. So flowering plants will convert into fruit and that will have seeds. Now what about non-flowering plants? How will they reproduce? Soumya, your chance finished. Yes, Vidyumna.
Ma'am, non-flowering
How will they reproduce?
and they reproduce.
Yes, Lakshmika. How will the non-flowering plants reproduce? Yes, we couldn't.
Ma'am, not
1 minute. Yes, Lakshmika.
flowers.
Flowers, the non-flowering plants. Yes, we couldn't.
Non-flowering plants do not produce.
They don't reproduce only. Yes, Priyansh. How will the non-flowering plants reproduce?
Non-flowering plants reproduce
Loudly, please.
love.
Huh?
Non-flowering plants like fern, conifers and moses.
They produce the. You are giving the examples of non-flowering plants. I am asking how will these non-flowering plants will reproduce? Yes, Rayan. Very good. Special structures. What are these called? What are those special structures? No, you are telling the example of non-flowering. Yes, Ceci.
Spots and roots.
Sports and very good. Sit down, children. So the non-flowering plants have special structures on the leaves so that they can reproduce. Those special structures are spores or cones. Okay. Now let's move on to our third lesson. Sit down, please. Which are animals with and without backbone. Those are nothing but the vertebrates and invertebrates. Who will tell me more about vertebrates? Yes, Lakshmika? Chaitanya? Oh. What do you... 1 minute, Priyansh. Yes, Rayan? Very good. Vertebrates have backbone. Invertebrates. What are the other features we can include in that vertebrate? Yes, Vidyumna.
Vertebrates have well-developed
Organ systems. Please sit down, everyone.
and invertebrates don't have
No, let's talk only about vertebrates. They have backbone. They have well-developed organ systems. Sit down, Lakshmika. And what else? What do they have internally?
they have
Yes, Ceci.
they have
Internal what?
skeleton.
Internal skeleton. Now, are these vertebrates again sorted into anything? No? Are you sure? Sit down, please. Are you sure? There are two things on which these vertebrates are divided into. I want to ask about the babies. How do they reproduce? Based on that, yes, Devika, can you? 1 minute, children. Devika, can you tell me how the vertebrates are divided into based on babies? That is reproduction. Yes, Avantika.
Oviparous, they lay eggs, and viviparous, they give their birth.
Very good. So, based on reproduction, we can say that vertebrates are divided into two types. One is laying eggs, and some animals, vertebrates, give direct birth. Okay? Okay? Now, let's talk about invertebrates. Which properties will make the animals into invertebrates? Can anybody say? Yes, Lakshmika. You know? Will you tell me about the invertebrates?
Hard exoskeleton.
They have hard exoskeleton, which is very good. Next, anything else? Hmm? Sit down, Devika. Yes, Manaswini.
They have
Internal or external? Yes, we can't. What do they have? Is it external skeleton or what is that word? Correct word.
external skeleton.
Hannah, so you want to try? Yes, Ceci?
External exoskeleton.
Huh?
Exoskeleton.
Exoskeleton. What it is called?
Exoskeleton.
Okay. Now that is about your third lesson. Now let's move on to the fourth lesson. Can everybody sit down, please? Now again, these vertebrates are divided into, sit down, are divided into 5 types. Okay? 3 in one group, 2 in other group. So the 3 comes under which blood? Yes, Rayan? Warm blood and cold blood. Now, what are the different types present in the warm blood? Priyansh. Priyansh, tell me which animals are present in cold blood? Which vertebrates comes under warm blood? Yeah. Birds and? No. There is another word. Yes, Manaswini? Warm blood. Birds and mammals. Please sit down, Rayan. Now, who will tell me about cold blood? Yes, Devika.
Fish, amphibians, reptiles.
Very good. Please sit down. Now, raise your hand if you can tell me about these things. At least one sentence. It might be a fish, it might be an amphibian, it might be a reptile, bird, mammals, anything. Who can tell me? Ceci, your turn finished. Yes. Yes, Soumya.
Some fishes can live in water.
Mm-hmm.
Reptiles have dry skin.
Okay.
Frogs can live in water and land.
Frogs or amphibians?
Amphibians.
Very good. Please sit down. Now, who will tell me about the warm blood? Yes, Vidyumna.
But
Mm.
This all over and animals give direct
To babies. And what is their body covered with? Hair. If it is thick hair, we call it as fur. Generally, we say hair. Now, tell me how many parts the vertebrate's body is divided into. For any given vertebrate, the body is divided into how many parts? Yes, Ganishka, can you try? 3 parts. Very good. What are those?
head,
Head. Hmm.
hands,
No. Yes, Manaswini or Rayan.
head,
Huh?
trunk,
Uh-huh.
tail.
Very good. Head, trunk and tail. Very good, children. So this is your block 5. Okay. Very good. Everybody clap for yourself. You have performed well. Okay. Sit down, beta. Okay. Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Please sit down.